Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to a little look at XRP here. As we can see, things are looking reasonably good over the past few weeks, obviously with the massive pump that we did see for XRP. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content. You're all absolute legends, love you all very, very much indeed. And with all that being said, we are just going to have a quick look at the charts here on the daily time frame right now. You can see we basically had a nice little massive pump. Obviously we all know about this by now. Coiling up formation here, we've got the breakout coming up back up here to test this level, and now coming down to test these lows again. You can see here we have come down now back down to the lows at around what we're looking at down here. We wicked down to around 67 cents previously, and you can see here now we're maybe just putting in a little bit of a range like this, I would say. Overall, if you look at the hourly time frame, you can get a bit more granular detail about what's going on. You can see quite clearly here, huge pump to the upside. Coiling formation here, we've got the breakout, we trickled all the way up here to retest the high. Obviously it started to get rejected there, and then since then we've been in a little bit of a downtrend, just selling off from that level up there, haven't we? And then since then really we have just been continuing to the downside like this, waiting to see what happens next really in the markets overall. I would say realistically it's pretty likely that we're probably going to see ourselves having a bit of a retracement fairly soon. To be honest, I probably think we'll break down from this level here. Overall, I would say it's pretty likely that we're probably going to see ourselves have a bit more of a retracement, like I did say before, maybe to fill some of this gap here. But obviously we are waiting to see what happens with Bitcoin as well. If we do see Bitcoin bounce into the upside, then we'll probably see a bit of upside as well. Right now I'm not touching this, I'm just waiting to see what's happening next. And in reality, you know, a lot of these big pumps that are off news, they do tend to get filled most of the time from what I've seen. So we'll see what happens next, but overall still feeling bullish on XRP in the long term. And that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video.